We are in Takshila. Is one of the great uh, historical place, especially World Heritage. What we are seeing in here is the rich of the our culture, not only the Buddhist and the Hindu, China, and Christian, all are mixed with here. We can see how those religions lived with people lived with in harmony, in with associate in each other, and we can see some kind of sites relevant to the Buddhism. Some are relevant to the China. Some are in the Christian. In one place in here, we can see double-headed eagle stupa. No, that it shows us the carvings and sculptures are there belong to the different period and belong to the different type of architect and different type of sculptures and cultures. In the some it belong to in the Greek, the some belong to the Persian, and some belong to the in the Indians, and those are, but in one stupa we can see on those three type of carving and cultures in here. And this is the great place to see the tourists, especially those who are coming to Pakistan. They must visit these places. And as a Sri Lankans, as a Buddhist priest, we are really highly appreciates these sites, and we are encouraging to our people to come to Pakistan and visit. You go and see in your own eyes this kind of Buddhist sites. Not only the Buddhists, the people can get more vast knowledge about how they are they make in different stages and different cultures and in different architect. No, then we can see some mix with them in one of the great place to see. I'm really happy.